Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Neverness to Everness not showing or not being detected in the NVIDIA app. Follow these steps one by one, and your game should appear correctly. Let's get started. First, open the NVIDIA app. Go to the graphics section. Click on the three dots. Now click on Refresh. Do this multiple times. After refreshing, check if Neverness to Everness appears. If the game still doesn't show up, click on the three dots again. Select Add Scan Location. Now go to the folder where Neverness to Everness is installed. Select the folder. Click on Select Folder. Wait for the scan to complete. Now check if the game appears. If it's still not detected, close the NVIDIA app completely. Make sure it's not running in the background. Now reopen it. If needed, relaunch it 5 to 10 times. Then check again. If that didn't work, restart your computer. After your system boots up, open the NVIDIA app again. Check if the game is now detected. If the issue still persists, open the NVIDIA app. Go to the Drivers tab. Click on Check for updates. Install the latest driver. If your drivers are already up to date, try reinstalling them. Once done, relaunch the NVIDIA app and check again. After trying all these methods, Neverness to Everness should now appear in the NVIDIA app. One of these solutions will fix the issue. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.